Hey guys, Mark here again, Woods Unknown. Just got a new bully bumper printed off for the front of my scx24. Came out really good. Had to do a little bit of trimming and stuff to get it on there, but yeah, I'd say that's a pretty decent accessory instead of paying for top quality stuff. Anyways, just an update to what I've been up to. I've got some more accessories to come for it. Roof rack. I'm gonna make some rims. But yeah, more to come. Thanks for watching, all my subscribers. And give me thumbs up for all my videos. Have an awesome day, guys. Bye.